GMT, or Greenwich Mean Time, or Zulu time, when referring to a watch, means that you can track a second time zone. Now, all of these Tudor timepieces can track up to 3 time zones at once. Let me show you how. So here on the dial of the watch, you'll see 4 hands. We have our hour hand, our minute hand, the sweeping second hand, and this GMT hand. Your local hour hand, which is here, tells you where your feet are, what time it is wherever you are in the world. Here is your GMT hand, and this utilizes the 24-hour ring of the bezel to tell you what time it is. You'll notice here that it is 10 a.m. where we are. Now, we're in Washington, D.C., and here, the 24-hour GMT hand is telling you that it's 7 a.m., so West Coast, San Francisco, Los Angeles. What you can then do, once you have those 2 times set, is use the bezel ring. By rotating it, the 24-hour bezel insert tells you a 3rd time zone. So now you can track all 3 time zones at once. Every watch collector should have the TUDOR Black Bay 58 GMT in their collection, but what I love about it most is that it's so wearable. I personally love this watch because as a dad of 2 young children, I can drop it in the bathtub and I know that this watch will be fine. And in the morning, if my kids really want to have a video call with my parents who live in Vegas, at a quick glance, I can check to see what time it is. Tudor has mastered the GMT watch that any enthusiast would be proud to have in their collection. And if you love these GMTs as much as I do, come visit us at Lillenquist and Beckstead at Tyson's Galleria, as well as Westfield Montgomery, and our sister store Lankersdorfer at Tyson's Corner Mall. And until next time, thank you for your love of Swiss watches.